Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to use the Actions v2 from AutoInput. So let's get started. Let's say you want to automate in this Google Play Store that you want to click this search button, you want to click this search box, and you want to search for some text, and you want to see the result. So let's automate that with AutoInput. Okay, let's go to Tasker and let's create a new task. Let's call it UI. Oh, that will be it. Let's create a new task. Let's go to plugin, AutoInput, Actions v2. Let's click on this pencil and we will be operating with this actions to perform. Hi guys, I don't want to interrupt, but I just want to let you know that I have a website called MationX.com where I offer custom automation development. So if you're interested in automating anything for your Android device or for your computer, or automating something on managed servers where I take care of the automations and make sure they run all the time, please contact me there and we will see if we can do something for you. Thank you for watching. So let's click there. We do need help, always. And now you can do many things. You can click, swipe, and do many other things. But before everything, you want to wait for the element to appear. So let's click wait for element, find. Now let's go to this Play Store app. Let's go to the starting position. And we want to click this search button on the bottom. So let's click there. We will click on the blue box after positioning it. We see this search text view here, so let's wait for that. First found, that means it will wait for the first found. It won't search for the button like necessarily near something else. We don't need to do it now, and let's click it. Click, find. Repeating the same thing that I did last time. Now when I clicked do now, it actually did the thing, so that's good. Now more actions, yes. We want to click right here on element, search apps and games. I always recommend to find it by the element and not by position because it won't be reliable. First found, let's know. And as you can see, it opened. Now let's input some text here. So we're gonna add more actions and we're gonna append text, for example, to see if we can put the text here. Search apps and games, okay, first found. And let's search for auto apps, for example. Let's do it now. And now we just want to click like enter or just enter the text. So for that there is this option submit input, find. I'm gonna select the field again, this edit text field, and I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna find this element by focus. So if it has focus, it will click the submit. Let's try it, and it worked. We don't need more actions. Let's go back to Tasker. Now in this action to perform, you actually see the code that we created, and I'm just gonna add some wait actions. After we click the text field, I would wait for like 300 milliseconds to make sure that it's ready to be inserted text in, you know. And also gonna add wait action here before we press enter, and okay. This wait basically works because it's also a command that is supported. Let's click the tick icon to save. Let's go back, and let's now go back again. Let's save the task. Now I will put it in the default position like this, and let's try if it works. I will enable it. I will run the task and I will go here. I'm not clicking anything, and let's see if it's actually doing anything. And it's searched for the app. I didn't click at all until now, so it searched for auto apps. It's working pretty well. So that's about it, guys, for this Actions v2. I think it's very useful for normal UI automations.